Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we've got an unboxing from Amazon. I ordered something different for me, first time ever. So we're going to see how this works out. Okay, it's a wig. It's Felix from Sister Wig. And this is just an unboxing and a try on. It is not a review because I don't know enough about wigs to do a review. And I'll show you the stuff I got to go with it, okay? And this is the first time I've ever done it. I've watched videos with people doing it, but that's all. Let's see. I think these are some wide tooth combs, but I'm not sure. Because I think they say that you need to be super careful about putting, what you put on your wig. And mine is just for a fashion wig. As you can tell, I've got plenty of hair. You know, apparently I did a really good job picking out my parents when I was in heaven before I was born. And so I've got good hair. The only time I've ever kind of got thin hair is right before my hysterectomy when I was real anemic. And I think my hair has thinned out with age, but it's still plenty thick. Okay. When I was younger, I'd get comments about how thick it was when you go to the hairdresser and stuff. So what's in this? These are 3 combs. Let's use one now since I messed my hair up. I did wash and do my hair. They say you're supposed to do your makeup. My hairstyle actually has bangs, but some days they turn out and some days they don't. And I guess this is the day that it don't. And if I'm acting funny, this camera is kind of reversed, and so I'm not used to it. My hands are wanting to do one thing, and I'm seeing something else on the screen. So, because this is I'm using QuickTime, and so it flipped reverse. It's not like looking in a mirror. So I got 3 combs. So to fluff out the wig, 1 for my purse if I ever wear a wig, and 2 more for the bathroom or whatever. Right now we're just going to open 1 because, I don't know, I think you have to work up to wearing a wig. Okay, so this here is a wig stand. And if anyone's interested in any of this, I will look up the links and give it to you. I'm not an affiliate. I will not make 1 dime, but I'm happy to get the link for you guys. Alrighty? This here is some kind of a wig stand. Anyway, we can put it together in a little bit. I thought, well, after I didn't know if I wanted to leave it in the box or not. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. I'll have to email Heather and see what she says. But anyway, it looks like I do not see any instructions. It looks like I'm just going to have to get on the website and take a look at it and see how they did it. So it's like for if you wash your wigs and dry them, but I won't be wearing this in every day. I might wear it a little bit. My husband doesn't know about this. He might have a calf. See what else we got here. Okay, here is a wig grip. I see people wearing these all the time, and I thought, well, I need a wig grip then. I want to stay on. And this one does have some instructions. So, let's go ahead and open it because we're going to be trying the wig on. And there is a picture. Maybe we can go by that. So we're going to take that out of the box because I'm not returning none of this. So we'll take that out of the box. So we got us a comb and a wig grip. Now then, what else we got here? And this is it. And this is a little puppy dog, little boxer package. I think that when she sends these from her store, that she actually sends them in this too, because I've seen other reviews where someone actually bought it from the store. So I'm going to tear this. I'm going to be super careful. I don't want to cut nothing. So we'll use our fingernails. Speaking of fingernails, I hadn't done my nails yet. I wanted to do the wig first because I didn't know how that's going to work. But the last nails that we did, those nude ones that we stamped, those lasted me all week long. This one little finger was getting a little sore last night, so I took it off last night so I could get a rest. And then I cleaned it up. I clipped that all the white part down on it so that it would not lift, because I think the mistake I made before was it was growing, but I wasn't clipping it. And so the longer it gets, the more it wants to wiggle and lift. So as long as I can keep this cut down, and not let it get too long, it'll grow. Because, the same thing kind of happened with this one. These, I injured those at the same time. And then this one finally healed up too. So I know this is going to be fine. Although you guys don't want to see my toenails. At the nail salon. Anyway, well, that's a different video. So we've got, this says Felix, and I ordered a color. Well, one, I would have loved like the purple and black and stuff like this, but I thought, well, it's my first one. I need to kind of stick something a little bit kind of my length and color somewhat. Although my hair is not, my natural hair is dark brown. It's not black, it's dark brown. And she tries to put highlights in it, but they turn brassy, and she says it's because my hair's too coarse. Anyway, that's okay. So, anyway, so my natural hair, this was kind of close, but it's curly. And, back in the days, we used to wear perms and stuff all the time. But so let's see how this works. And so, like I said, this is not a review, because there's plenty of other people that know about wigs and will do reviews. This is my first time ever. Let's see, what does it feel like? Let's see. It's got a little tag on it. It says Sister Wigs. Ravens and Roses are, which I'm glad about that, because the ones I saw just said Ravens and Roses, and I didn't know if it was rooted or not. I did want the root, but anyway. So, original creations designed in the USA. I think it's made in Indonesia. Someone else said that. And I think there's a little lace thing on here. We got to get that off. So, get that off. And other people have complained about that. They don't like them. But anyway, I guess there's a reason. So, this is stuck. I will show you the inside, although I'm not an expert. I hear the term permatease. I don't know what permatease is. Let's see if we can figure it out. I don't know. Maybe it's just sort of teased up something or other. So, and it's curly. So, and this is what color it is. It's kind of the color is Ravens and Roses, so it's like a dark brown, which would be my natural color anyway. And then it's got more of a red in it that's kind of a cool tone red. Instead of like this here is supposed to be blonde highlights, but they're not. Anyway, it's my fault. I've never been able. This is the first. I'm happy with my hairdresser. I'm happy with my hair. It just won't bleach out. So, I don't know why. She says it's because of the texture. So we got some bangs somewhere. We got to get the front of it. Oh, here's the back, because here's the little tag. She's got a little cat and a moon. So let's take this off. Then we have a little, okay, it's coming off. It's just kind of looped in here, so you can kind of get it off without cutting it if you want to. So anyway, today's my birthday. I'm 60. My husband said, did I want anything at a reasonable price? And I said, well, what's reasonable? $10,000? And he says, no, 100. And I said, okay, well, let me tell you. I thought, well, maybe if I like this, I might pick out another wig. But I don't know. I says, now you can't be judgmental. And he says, he's going to be judgmental. It's because he doesn't know about this. So, anyway, it looks like this is the front of it. So let's get this wig grip going on here. And I don't have a clue what I'm doing. So this should be real entertaining for everyone. Let's see this picture here. It's got someone she's got a little wig. It looks like the tag is on. And I did measure my head. Not that it makes any difference, because I didn't see any measurements for this wig anyway. But like going around my head like this, I tried to get as tight as I could but it's about 23. So I must have a big head. So she's got a little tag on this side, like this. And I think you're probably supposed to be pulling your hair up. Oh, we do have a wig cap. Now, do we put the wig cap on first or second? Someone said they didn't like wig caps, that they used little net things. But anyway, it was too late. I didn't buy one. I didn't think of it, or it was too cheap or something. I don't know. I didn't buy one. So this picture here, she's a bald woman. And so it doesn't, you can't tell if she's got her stocking cap on. You know, I'd see these stocking caps on people, and one of my son's girlfriends long ago had one. I didn't know what they was for. Now I know. So let's see if we can tuck the hair in here. Oh man, this might be a mistake, doing this on camera. Okay, so there we get this. Tuck this in. And some people said they didn't like the white collar of it, but I don't know. Oh, I know what. I got sidetracked. Y'all know I get sidetracked all the time. One reason I was going to pick this color instead of the other. Of course, on Amazon, there wasn't that much to choose from because, you know, I sat on it too long. But another thing is, if I ever decide to wear it to work, I think there's something in our dress code about crazy hair colors. So I thought I better kind of stick with a little bit more natural-ish. So anyway, this is probably good enough for now. Actually, the little wig thing, it seems to be holding in. Cause, well, my hair is short. I tell her, you know, my husband would like long hair, and I would like long hair. But when you go to the hairdresser every month, it's not going to grow because they cut it. And you know how it is. They like to cut your hair. So that's okay. I used to, it's okay. Whatever. I don't care. Even here the last 2 times, I go about every 6 or 8 weeks, every 6 to 7 weeks. I was like, just do whatever you want. I don't care. I think they like that. So, because it doesn't matter what you say. They're going to do what they want anyway. So, we got this thing going on. So, she had her tag to one side. And I got it wrong. They need to make this easier. They need to make it where we could either just put it in the front or put it in the back. Maybe it's like this. Okay. And there is some drama going on. I certainly hope. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. I'm not taking sides. This is a wig try-on, but there's definitely some drama going on. Let's see. Let's go here. I got a widow's peak. Now then, those two, Mimi and someone else from a wig chat on Wednesdays. So I've been seeing them put on wigs. They make it look easy. We'll see how that works out. And this is, I promise, this is the first time I've ever put on a wig. You know, my mama may have put one on me when I was a baby and didn't know it, but that's it. So right now I got my ears. Let's pull those dudes out. Okay. I guess there's grits in here. I'll have to look at it better. So how do y'all like that? Just out of the box, me not knowing what I'm doing. Let's put some glasses on. Dirty glasses. Okay, so anyway, this is just right out of the box. Not knowing what I'm doing. It does feel a little snug, but it's got, I think it does have some like bra strap adjusters. I've heard people say that I might can mess with it, but I'm not going to mess with it now. And some people said that they fluffed it up more. So, I just don't know. I probably should have got something trying to get it a little bit closer to my color. That way I could wear it to work. But as it stands now, I don't think I could wear this all day. Let's see if we can get, right now the stuff's sliding. So let's put these on. And let's see about these inside things. Some bra strap adjusters. I've heard a rumor. Okay. I don't really know how they work. I mean, I know how to work a raw strap adjuster. Let's see. It looks like there's like a little clippy, and you can make it tighter. But I don't see where you can. Oh, yeah, you can. She's got it the second one, so I can probably get this in one thing to make it a little bigger. Let's see, what about the other side? Okay, now this one wasn't even hooked on. So, and you might could even unhook them completely, you know, if they was just like really snug. So, and I think this wig was $60.12 or something like this. And I don't think I had to pay taxes. Let's try this again. Because I don't think I did. But some stuff on Amazon I have to pay taxes on, and sometimes some stuff I don't. Let's try this again. Take glasses off. Okay. So, if I wear this, do you think my husband's going to notice it? It makes my skin look extra light. Anyway, I don't know what I've done. I think it looked better before. I messed with it, took it off and messed with it. I'm going to have to get in the mirror. I don't think I have a mirror with me. Anyway, so right out of the box, tried it on. It wasn't as horrible. It'd be like eyelashes. You know, I used to not wear eyelashes. And now I wear eyelashes and I know how to put them on. It's just the thing, you're going to have to do it. It is kind of shiny. I don't know if that's good or bad. And I think this is, they said, heat-friendly fiber. It does have some little micro bangs. Let's see, where's the top of this? They're supposed to, like, I've got a widow's peak, like, right here. Or I used to, you know. I tell my daughter a story, and she thinks it's so funny. And it's true. I remember when I was a little girl, I took a razor, and I shaved that dumb thing off. And it's been crooked ever since. So anyway, I need to get to a mirror that's not reversed and fiddle with this. So, and we'll work for a little while. I've heard you have to work up to them. Like, when I go to work, I work 19 hours, or I'm there 19 hours. I may not be working the whole time, but by the time you have your lunch there and stuff, so you're there a long time. It does feel kind of, you can feel something up here. I guess that's the permatease. It doesn't feel heavy. It's just that, you would have to get used to wearing something on your head. Because it feels like wearing a hat. I don't ever wear hats, but anyway, we'll just have to practice, Maybe we'll run the house a little while, go to town a little bit and work up to it. Maybe if I get a longer one. I was scared to get anything long. Because, like, if I get it short, like this, my own hair is short, they'll think I just rolled it that day. I just got a color or something. But if you get something down to here, they know your hair didn't grow that wet, so we're not. So how do you guys like it? And I think the black and purple would look great. And then they have other colors too. And she's got, this is her line. And it is sliding, but I don't know what that's about. I'm going to have to Google and, find out better ways to put on wigs. I was just going by the stuff that I saw people do. And maybe I need that other mesh cap instead of this stocking cap. Because someone said that she didn't like these stocking caps. These little nylon pantyhose caps. Anyway, let's put the glasses on. So, yes, I can see better. And anyway, so this is what it looks like. Felix got the little bangs, which I like bangs. And so, anyway, y'all have a great day. Watch out for my other videos. I'm going to think of something to do with nails, and we'll do our nails in a little bit. And I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.